Gouna Plus was quite an intellectual, interesting journey. I like that working with the team at Gouna Plus was quite an intellectual, interesting journey. Very cooperative team and intellectually understand what they want to deliver to their own clients. I'm Amir Dous. I'm the founder of Reality. Reality has been an Egyptian brand since 2003. So we want to transform low-resolution living spaces to high-resolution living experiences. Since we founded Reality, it started as an Egyptian brand. We tend to tell stories with our products in a certain context because we believe in storytelling. This is the right time for Gouna Plus to have these services. It's a perfect idea that comes to Gouna. Gouna Plus is going to add a lot to the consumer experience. I think with the right designers and suppliers, Gouna Plus could add a lot of layers to their users. This balance or this agreement or this partnership gives us a lot of opportunity to connect with our clients in a more easy and refined way. Gouna has been a destination over the years. It's a place that we always relate to. And with the services of Gouna Plus, I believe it will bring a lot of vibrant, natural experience to each and everyone, the designer, the supplier, Gouna Plus, the consumer. I think it's going to be a perfect win-win situation. We are very pleased at Reality to offer our services alongside Gouna Plus. So thank you for Gouna Plus team. And we're looking forward for more collaborations.